Hey guys, it's Yang. So now I'm so happy with these bad boys right here, or should I say bad girls right here. Let me tell you something, Mynailbox. You did your thing, honey. You did your thing. These nails are unbelievable. You see these nails? And let me just tell you guys, my experience with her has been phenomenal. She is literally the best at her customer service. From the time that we first spoke up until when I got my delivery, she was amazing. Now, the shipping, we did have some difficulties with the shipping. It wasn't because of her at all, but because it was coming from another country, it took a little bit longer. But then we had a really bad snowstorm, I think, at the time that the nails were coming through. So it kind of delayed the package delivery like a couple days, I think. Like, it was a minute. We were trying to figure out what was going on. I think it was being held at JFK Airport in New York. Not everybody's experience with the shipping is going to be like mine because it was in the middle of the winter. But if it wasn't for that, I'm sure that the nails would have came 10 times faster. But her customer service was amazing. She is amazing. Her art is amazing. Her packaging is amazing. Her shipping is amazing. Her nails are just amazing overall. And I just really, really want to say thank you so much for these nails. Believe me, I'll be getting more, okay? I cannot even thank you enough. I cannot be happier with these nails. I'm going to be, after the adhesive wears off, I'm going to be crazy gluing these like crazy, okay? I'm going to be crazy gluing it up. I'm going to leave a link down below to anything for her. I'm going to leave her social media Instagram account link down below. I'm going to leave her website link below where you can order your nails from. Any type of contact information she had. I'm going to leave everything down below so that if you guys want to order these nails, then you can contact her directly and she'll be able to help you. The best thing about her nails is that they are so affordable. And I know us girls have a lot of problems with nail salons because I know I'm not the only one. I'm very picky about my nails and who does my nails and how my nails look. What I hate is the fact that, you know, the nail techs try to tell you what you should get or what you like or how your nails are. And then, you know, some nail salons you'll walk out and your acrylic is crooked or it's too thick, they look like balls. Like, it's just too much. The entire process of drying and the appointments, you might be late. One time I had an appointment and I didn't get seen for it was just a mess. So we all as girls have this problem with nail salons. So the fact that my girl has come up with something so amazing and she puts her heart into it, like this is what she loves, is amazing to me. Because, okay, you can see the love in the nails. And it's so much less of a time-consuming way. It's so much less time-consuming than going to go get your nails done and having to sit there and go through all of that. That's another thing that I really hate, is that when we're ready to take our nails off, we have to literally, you know what I'm talking about. We gotta and break them and clip them, and if you don't go to the nail salon and get them taken off, we gotta do all of that. And then when it's all said and done and our nails are off, they are just looking raggedy. Our nail beds are breaking, they're bending, the nail beds are peeling. It's just, we just don't feel confident in our nails after the fact. When the nails are done, yes, we like them, but once the nails come off, it's just like, ugh. So this is definitely a way to keep your nail beds healthy and still have beautiful nails for a low price. And let me tell you guys, my nails were only about, I think they were 35. I think they were 35, if I'm right. If I'm not right, then I'll put it down in the description box, but I'm pretty sure it was around 30 or 35. For me to get my nails this long, a full set is $30. If I were to go to the nail salon and get all of this extra stuff, it'll probably be like $60. Like, this is a sugar coating right here. And then you have the holographic, and then you have all of these nice like blingy diamonds. You know how much this would have been, okay? That's unbelievable to me, the fact that you can find something this affordable and look this good. So, okay, 2 snaps to you, honey. Thank you so much for providing me with these beautiful nails. You guys, I'm telling y'all, go get some nails from Ms.Yang Mynailbox. I'm telling you, guys will not be disappointed. Go get some nails from her. Seriously. Because I'm done with nail salons completely. I'm done with nail salons. If I go to the nail salon, it's going to be because of my feet. That's it. I'm not going to the nail. You need to come out with some press-on toenails. Okay? Because I'm done with the nail salon. I can't do it anymore. I'm done with the nail salon. I hate when they try to tell me what I'm supposed to get, and it's just frustrating to me. Then it's just like a whole bunch of money, and it's too time consuming, and it's just too much for me. So I'm really happy that I found her, okay? So I'm definitely be using her from now on. So you guys, please follow her page, look at her nails, and cop you a pair of nails, okay? And tell her Yang sent you. Alright, so I've been talking enough, you guys, so let's just get right into the video. Like I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave all your thoughts down below about the nails, and please do not forget to follow Mynailbox and cop some nails from her, okay? Alright, you guys, bye! So I just really quickly wanted to show you guys what my nail beds look like a few days after I took my acrylic nails off. My nail beds are still rigid, they're still uneven, and they just don't look good. Now this is the packaging that the nails came in. I think this is so cute. It's like a Paris wrapping paper, and she has like this cute wooden tie that goes around it. Now on the inside, you'll find 2 things. You'll see your tools, and you'll see the actual nail box that your nails come in. Once you open your nail box and remove the protective films that's on top of your nails, this is just to protect your nails from scratches and everything as it goes through the mail. You'll open your nail box to 10 beautiful nails. Now she gave me 2 extra nails, so I have 12. She gave me the 2 extra sugar coated nails as a gift, and I absolutely love the sugar coated nails. So thank you so much again, Mynailbox. Now once you open the package that says your tools in it, you'll see everything that you need in order for you to apply your nails. The first thing you'll see is a nail filer, your cuticle pusher, your buffing brush, 2 alcohol pads, the adhesive that goes on top of your nails, and your directions. So the first tool that you're going to take out of that wrapping is your cuticle pusher, and you're going to just go ahead and push all of your cuticles back. Once you finish pushing your cuticles back, you're going to go in with your buffing brush and just go ahead and buff every nail. Make sure you guys, you buff your nails really well, because you want to make sure that you have a nice flat bed base on your nails. The next thing you're going to do is file your nails if necessary. I didn't have to, so I skipped it. The next thing that you're going to do is take one of your alcohol pads and clean the inside of your nails. This is just to ensure that you don't have any dust or anything like that hanging around on the inside of your nails. Once you finish cleaning the inside of your nails, you're going to clean your actual nails with the alcohol pad. After you finish cleaning with the alcohol pad, you're going to take your adhesives and stick them each onto your nails. Be careful not to remove the plastic that's on top of the adhesive. You only want to put the adhesive on your nails, and you should still have that plastic that I'm showing you guys right here on top of your nails. You see that? That should still be on there. Once you guys, you're finished putting your adhesive on, you want to peel off that plastic. You're going to take the nail that matches your fingernail and you're going to put it right on top of your nail. Now you want to sit and hold your nail for at least 10 seconds. This is just to make sure that your nails are secure and that they are all the way on your nails. You're going to go ahead and do that for each of your nails. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys love these nails just as much as I do. I definitely think that press-ons are the new thing, okay? So if you like these pair of nails, you can definitely buy these on Mynailboxes website. They will be available soon, and I'll be putting a link down in the description box below. And by the way, you guys, I'm recording this voiceover 2 weeks later, okay? And my nails are still good. So go and get you a pair from Mynailbox. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.